So we are given this prefix expression and we are asked to convert to infix expression. So first we need to, when we are asked about converting from prefix to infix, first we need to look the prefix expression from the backward. That means we need to look from this side, not from this. So because why? Because when we are dealing with prefix expressions, we have our operands at the end. We have our operands at the end. So that's why we need to start from the end. When we are asked to convert from prefix to any other, we need to start from the end. Prefix to infix or prefix to postfix, we need to start from the end. Then we are going to use a stack which predominantly stores the operators, not the operands, basically the operators. So when we are starting from this, we just have that. So sorry, I am mistakenly that the operators are stored in the stack, but actually the operands are stored in the stack. So we need to start from the end, and when we see an operand, we simply need to push it into the stack. So we need to iterate from the backwards, and then we get to a, we push it into the stack, and then we get a division operator. When we get an operator, we just need to make sure that if the stack is not empty, just pop the topmost two element, make it first, make it second, and then you just simply place this operator in between these operands. Means first concatenate them, just concatenate the prefix of I, which means in this case it's division symbol, and then second. So by this we can say we get an as a comma a divided by k. We get this as our expression, mini expression. Then we need to enclose them within parenthesis. We need to enclose them with parenthesis. Then just simply append this to the stack. So what's our first case? When we are asked to convert from prefix to any other, if we ask from prefix to infix or prefix to postfix, we need to first look the prefix expression from the backward, and then when we, for this example prefix to infix, we are asked to prefix to infix. So what we need to do is, for when we need, if we get an operand, we just need to place it in the stack, and when we can, until this you can place that L, K, A are placed in the stack. When we encounter division symbol, just pop the topmost two elements from the stack. We get it as A and K. We get this as our topmost two elements, and then place this operand in between them. This is how we get A divided by k, and then just enclose them within the parenthesis. And the next step is simple, just place this into the stack. Just place this into the stack. Then our stack will become like L and A. This is our expression how it will become. Then we go for minus. When we encounter minus, remember one thing, when we encounter the operator, just pop the topmost two elements. Pop this, just place the symbol and just enclose them into the parenthesis. And when we pop this, you get the stack like this, and just place A. Just place into the stack. This is how we do it. Then we have completed this. We got the C, just place into the stack. When we got the B, just place it into the stack. When you encounter the division, just pop the topmost two element, make the symbol operator between them, and just enclose them within the parentheses and just place them into the stack. Then we complete this and then we encounter a, then we place that a into the stack. Then when we encounter the minus, we pop the topmost two elements, that is a and b divided by c. We just take minus that b divided by c and hold this. We get this expression and we pop these two expressions, and then we can say that a minus b, and then at final we have asterisk. And when we have asterisk, we have two elements in the stack, this and this. Then we pop these two elements, a minus b by c, and then asterisk a. This is our final expression. We have completed our iteration and our stack. Now just place this into the stack, and then when we complete all the iteration, just return the last, only one element is left, will be left in the stack. Just return the last element. If you just return the last element, it will be over. I have written it is in the Python, so I'm saying that return the just, this means that just return the last element in the stack. So that's how we are going to write it. Thank you for everything. If you have any doubts, please comment.